Hi everyone, we're going to find derivative of y with respect to x, and we have x squared times y plus x times y squared equals 6. Before we get started, we're going to use the product rule for these first two terms here, and remember that derivative of x with respect to x equals 1. So when we do the derivative of x part, that's just one. We don't need to write that part down. All right, so let's get started. We're going to differentiate this first term here. So let's copy down the x squared times the derivative of the second part, which is just 1. And then that's going to be, since we're differentiating y, that's derivative of y with respect to x. So that's times derivative of y with respect to x. And now we copy down your y times, now we're going to differentiate x squared, which is 2x. And normally you would put, since we're doing x, that's derivative of x with respect to x, but that just equals 1. So we don't need to write that down when we differentiate with our x with respect to x. All right, now let's do the second piece. So the second piece, copy down your x, take the derivative of your y. So that's going to be times 2y, and since we differentiated the y, we're going to write dy divided by dx. All right, plus, now you copy down your y times the derivative of x, and that's just 1, times 1. So just put times 1. And then derivative of 6 is 0. All right, now let's simplify this a little bit. I'm going to group my dy dx's together. So this is going to be x squared dy divided by dx plus 2xy times dy dx. I'm also going to subtract these without the dy dx. That would be your dx divided by dx to the other side. So this is going to be negative 2xy, and this is going to be minus y squared. All right, the next step is to factor out the dy dx, because that's what we're solving for. Dy divided by dx times x squared plus 2xy equals negative 2xy minus y squared. And our last step, we're going to divide both sides by this term here. So I'm going to divide it by this, and then we will have solved for our dy dx. I'm also going to factor out this negative. So if I factor out a negative in the numerator, that's going to give me 2xy plus y squared. All right, so our final answer is going to be dy divided by dx, our derivative with respect to x, equals negative 2xy plus y squared divided by 2xy plus x squared. And this is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.